Hello everyone, welcome to our night vision tutorial. Here's some things we need for this project. The AMB82-Mini, a camera with IR cut, an IR light source, and the camera adapter board. You can find this example under Stream RTSP Night Mode. Now to get started, let's include the infrared header file. Next, we will create the infrared object called IR. First, we have to initialize the IR cut and IR LED before using them. Now we can use Set Cut to disable the IR cut, and then set the LED brightness to the maximum. Finally, we need to use Config Cam to change to grayscale mode and switch to night mode ISP auto-tuning for better clarity.